Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to RJD's online class. Presenting before you Fahima Khatun, Assistant Teacher, English, Rangpur Jila School. Dear learners, we are passing a very critical and pandemic situation, but I am very much optimistic, so I want to start my class with a message. I believe and hope after Corona, the world will be a finest place to live. So, waiting for a newer and a finer world, stay safe, stay at home. Now, let's start our today's class. This class is especially designed for the students of class 6 to 10. Dear students, notice the class very carefully. What do you see? An apple. John and an apple. John eats an apple. An apple is eaten by John. Another sentence. I say my prayer regularly. I say my prayer regularly. My prayer is said by me regularly. What is it related to? Can you guess? Yes, today our topic is voice. Change of voice. Let's discuss about voice. After studying this lesson, you will be able to identify the definition of voice, identify the classification of voice, identify the structures of active and passive voice, and change voice from active to passive. Now, dear learners, do you know what is voice? Here is a sentence with picture. Neymar plays football. If we change the two pictures, football is played by Neymar. It is sense of voice. Here, the verb plays is changed into is played with auxiliary verb and V3. That means verb past participle of verb played. Neymar plays football. Football is played by Neymar. So, voice is a formation of verb by which subject does something itself or something is done by subject. Yes, students, you know voice is classified into two kinds, active and passive. Active voice when the subject does something itself, and passive voice is when something is done by the subject. Active voice. Look at the structure. In active voice, the structure is subject plus verb, transitive plus object. He reads a book. He reads a book. In a passive voice, the structure is subject of object, auxiliary verb, V3 plus by, to, for, with, etc. These are prepositions especially used by, then object of subject. He reads the book. The book is read by him. The book is read by him. What is the changes? list of some objects and their objects. It's very important for you because subject are changed into object in this way. You may find it in your book. There is another page. It is also very important for you. You must remember this and find it in your textbook. Active to passive. We are discussing assertive sentence. Dear students, today we are discussing voice on assertive sentence. He pulls a rickshaw. It's an active voice. You have to make it passive. He pulls a rickshaw. A rickshaw is pulled by him. We should respect a rickshaw puller. Here should is a modal verb. Should is followed by should be, can be, must be. Notice the sentence into passive voice. A rickshaw puller should be respected by us. Should is changed into should be. Pulls is pulled. Should be respected. Okay, I think all of you have understood. Another sentence, the fisherman is catching fish. Fish is being caught by the fisherman. Here is catching is continuous tense, is changed into is being caught. Is catching is changed into is being caught. Now there are some sentences for you. There are 5 sentences. You may write down quickly. You have to change into passive voice. It is your homework too. Let's know the voice change of double objects. Dear learners, sometimes you notice in a sentence there are double object or 2 objects. Then what should we do? In this sentence he teaches us English. Us and English are 2 objects or double objects. Here we have to change it into passive. If we change it into passive, any of 2 objects we can use. There are 2 objects, direct object and indirect object. We must take one object as subject. You can use any object as the subject of passive voice. He teaches us English. Here us and English are 2 objects. We may use both of them in a single sentence. We are taught English by him. And if we take English as a subject, English is taught us by him. Us is used as we and English is also used as English in a subject. You have to change the sentences. Write down quickly. Now, passive voice of silent infinitive. You know silent infinitive? The present form of verb followed by do. Here, in a active voice, you have not to do to, but in a passive voice, you must use to. I told him to this, but in a passive voice, he was told to do this by me. Infinitive must be shown in the passive voice. Remember it. Infinitive must be shown in the passive voice. Now there are another activities for you. There are 5 sentences to change the active voice into passive voice. He advised me tell the truth. They elected him to go there. Go there. He ordered to him solve it. The bird made the wind blow. The teacher told him to do the sum. There are some exceptions. Exception 1. If the active voice is with reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Himself, myself, themself, herself. These are called reflexive pronoun. What occurs in those sentences? Yes. She fans herself. That is a reflexive pronoun, herself. She is fanned by herself. He killed himself. He was killed by himself. Note. Remember, if there is reflexive pronoun as object of the sentence, subject and object will not be changed to make it passive. Remember, please, if there is reflexive pronoun such as herself, himself, myself, themselves as object of the sentence, you must change it, then the subject and object will not be changed to make it passive. Exception 2. There is another exception named quasi-passive verb. If the active voice is with quasi-passive verb, the change is the rose smells sweet is an quasi-passive verb. It smells sweet. The rose is smelled sweet. There are two rules. The rose smells sweet. The rose is smelled sweet, or the rose is sweet when it is smelled. The sight looks charming. The sight is looked charming, or the sight is charming when it is looked. If there is an adjective after the verb of the sentence, subject and adjective will not be changed in the passive voice. There are some activities for you too. There are 5 sentences. Honey tastes sweet, the pill tastes bitter, the food looks delicious, the man seems strong, the sky appears blue. Dear students, write down quickly, and you must have to change the voices. I think all of you have understood well. Now I want to tell you that today we have learned voice, the definition of voice, how to change the voices from active to passive. There are some alternatives. There are double objects, and all these are explained here, and I think you have already understood it very well. So dear students, I want to close my class here. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.